Hello everyone, welcome to my CAD/CAM channel. Today I will show you how to create 3D texts on any plane or on any face with the help of FreeCAD workbenches like Draft Workbench, Part Workbench, and FreeCAD Tool called Shape from Text. This is the exercise for today. We create step-by-step these 3D texts in different locations with the help of Shape from Text tool. First, click simply this button to start the FreeCAD workspace. To add 3D text, first switch to the Draft Workbench from the drop-down menu. Activate the Shape from Text tool. Now, specify the coordinates for the text. In the string field, type a text what you want. Set the height of the text according to the requirement, and choose the font type from Windows Library. Click OK to confirm. Click here to hide the grid lines. Now, we have the 3D text. To extrude the text, switch to Part Workbench. Select the sketch and activate the Extrude tool and then set the height. Here, you can change the display mode, shape appearance, and others. Now I will show you how to create a 3D text on a selected or specified plane. Activate the Utilities tool and select the option Select Plane and then choose the plane to create the text on. Activate the Shape from Text tool. Click the button Reset Point to create the text at the origin. Here, apply the same procedure as the previous example. As you see, the text is created on the front plane and at the origin. Changing the appearance of the text. Switch to Part Workbench and give thickness to the created text with the help of Extrude tool. Delete the second text. Change the display mode to the option Shaded. In the next examples, I will show you how to create a text on an existing part and at specified position. Switch again to Draft Workbench. Select the front face and then activate the Utilities tool. Now choose the option Select Plane. As you see, the grid line's position changed to the front face. Now activate the Shape from Text tool and create the text. Select the position. The procedure to create a text is the same as the previous examples. Hide the grid lines. Position the text with the help of the Move tool. Switch again to Part Workbench and give thickness to the created text with the help of Extrude tool. Don't forget to like and share the video. Now we create a text on inclined plane and on existing solid part. Select the inclined plane or face and then activate the Utilities tool. Choose again the option Select Plane. The grid lies on the face. Activate the text and rotate the text with the Rotate tool. Double-click the text and then set the text size to 8 mm. Changing the appearance of the text. Switch to Part Workbench and give thickness to the created text. Now we create a text on horizontal, plane, or face and on existing solid part. Repeat the procedure similar to the previous examples. Select the face and then activate the Align to Selection tool. Rotate the text and reduce the size of the text. Today, we learned about creating a text on any plane or face. Follow the next video to learn about how to create a text on curved face or body. That is for today. Please follow the other videos to learn more about FreeCAD. See you in the next video. Please subscribe, like, and share the video. Thank you for watching.